And now moving on to news from Himachal Pradesh. Just days after a video of a pile of garbage in Kasol Valley went viral, India Today has discovered the ugly truth behind the cleanup that stings. Team India Today traveled to the ground in Himachal to find out that a massive cover-up is underway. The garbage is secretly being removed from the spot and dumped deep within a demarcated wildlife sanctuary zone, further worsening the ecological impact. We also spoke to the driver of one of the JCB who admitted to dumping the garbage in the forest and covering it up with soil. Local hotel owners have red flagged the dumping, alleging that there is clear government negligence and that the local Congress MLA, who is the SADA chairman as well, started dumping the garbage before the site was developed. BJP, raising the question, has said that they will move the NGT against the government, alleging green murder. Countering the charges, the SADA chairman Sundar Thakur cited delays in permission and weather conditions as the cause of the issue.
कूड़े से भरे टिप्पर यहाँ मौजूद हैं और जो टिप्पर को चला रहे थे उनसे बातचीत कर कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो कूड़े को?
भाई फेंकने के लिए ले जा रहे हैं, दबा रहे हैं इसको।
कहाँ दबा रहे हो?
जंगल में।
ऊपर जंगल में?
हाँ जी।
तो ऊपर जंगल में क्यों दबा रहे हो? ऐसी हरियाली है, नीचे तो इतना कूड़ा है, नीचे से ले जाके आप फिर ऊपर में जंगल में दबा रहे हो?
ये हमारे को तो न बताइए।
किसने बोला आपको ये दबा रहे हो?
जो जिसका कचरा है वही बोल रहे हैं।
किसका कचरा है?
ये कचरे वाले जानेंगे, हमारे को तो इतना पता नहीं।
ये टिप्पर किसका है?
यहाँ प्रधान का है।
कौन सा प्रधान?
टेल सिंह।
टेल सिंह। वो सरकार जो ये साडा के है उनके टिप्पर हैं?
ये बाकी तो नहीं पता, दो टिप्पर उनके हैं।
कब से गिर रहे हो आप ऊपर कूड़ा? कब से दबा रहे हो जंगल में?
मैं तो आज जिया है, बाकी पता नहीं।
और अब तो ये हमारे भी ध्यान में तब आई बात कि हम उस स्थान पे नेचर पार्क बनाने जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
और नेचर पार्क भी इतना खूबसूरत है कि जिसमें ये नेचर पार्क का पूरा नक्शा है। हम वहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी कचरा तो हमारे समझ में तब नजर आया जब हम वहाँ पर गए और इसको जमीन को डिमार्केट करने लगे, तो हमने देखा कि एक कोने में कुछ कचरा पड़ा हुआ है और वहाँ पे लेबरर भी है, काम कर रही है। लेकिन जब हमने उनसे पूछा कि क्या वजह है, तो उन्होंने हमें ये बताया कि जो वहाँ से कूड़ा का एकत्र होना और उसका निष्पादन के तौर पे जो हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को माध्यम से ये कूड़ा कचरा जो है सेग्रीगेशन के बाद रांगड़ी जो मनाली के पास साइट है उसको पिछले साल से बंद कर दिया गया है।
पहले ये वहाँ जाता था?
पूरे कुल्लू शहर का, पूरे कुल्लू जिला का कचरा वहाँ पे कोई उनको कुछ पेमेंट की जाती थी, तो मटेरियल रिकवरी जो फैसिलिटी सेंटर जो रांगड़ी था वहाँ जाता था। तो उसके बंद होने से और हमें दिक्कत हुई। उसके बाद हमने सीमेंट कंपनियों से, हिमाचल सरकार का इकरार है कि वहाँ पे ईंधन के रूप में ये कचरा रिसाइकल इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा।
हमने कहा हम कंसल्ट करेंगे, एनजीटी और सब जगह बातचीत करेंगे, क्योंकि ये एरिया इतना सुंदर एरिया है।
वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी है।
वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी आपने देखा होगा कि मेरे ख्याल हिमाचल और कुल्लू में तो सबसे नंबर एक, इतनी सीनिक ब्यूटी और इतना सुंदर शुद्ध वातावरण है। तो ऐसे में यहाँ पर जो है डंपिंग साइट 3-4 दिन से यहाँ जो टेंडर करके लेबर लगा के कहाँ का कूड़ा इकट्ठा करके जो यहाँ इकट्ठा किया जा रहा था, फिर ये वीडियो वायरल होना शुरू हो गई। ये काफी नेशनल लेवल तक वायरल हुई। अभी आज हम भी साइट पे आए थे और हमने देखा कि आनन फानन में वो कूड़ा कहीं और जगह ले जा रहे हैं। मुझे लग रहा है यहीं पर ही कहीं दबाया जा रहा हो।
जंगल में डंप कर रहे हैं, हम जाकर आए।
हाँ, आपने भी देखा होगा जंगल में जो है पीछे कहीं डंप कर रहे हैं।
For more on this, Aman Bharadwaj joins us from Kasol. Aman, you know, this clearly points towards the fact that there is no sustainable garbage policy of the state, especially this region. If you pick up garbage from one place and try to shove it under the carpet, or rather a carpet of soil, and just try to hide it away, this is quite shameful.
Exactly, and it also raises question that when the department and the authorities here, they got the time for 6 months because they got permission in November 2024. But after it's June now, but since then you see still the garbage lies here, and this is the right place from where the video went viral. Localites here running hotel or the activists or people who are concerned for the greenery here because these are the lungs of the Himachal, and you see how the trees where the garbage was stored from last 6 months, the trees how they are dried out now. There are no leaves. They are completely standing without the leaves. They are completely dried just because of the garbage that was stored down to them. And now when the video went viral, so the garbage from here, they lifted it from here and they took it 2 kilometers ahead here in Kasol's jungle, where the vegetation is completely different, where the environment is a concern, and there's a water storage also for the water supply. IPH department has built a tank there. You see this pipeline that is coming. So the garbage that's been stored inside the jungle is stored near the water source, and it is the major concern because the garbage that is being stored is under the soil. They are digging it with the JCBs. 8 to 10 tippers were placed, and on the massive level, on the aggressive level, they were taking the tippers from here, taking the garbage from here, and they were dumping it there. And it all comes, Anjali, because it raises question, because now the tender is not allotted yet to any dumping site, to any contractor or the NGOs, because now the Sundar Thakur, the MLA and the chairman of Special Development Authority here, SADA, and he shares the information that now they'll allot tender to Healing Himalayas, an organization. They'll make out a contract, and machinery will be installed. But before the contract, they are dumping the garbage, the waste inside the jungle, and localites, because here it's 400 to 500 hotels are there, so their waste is also the concern, because Manali's dumping site has been shut after NGT's order. So the waste from Kullu or Bhuntar or local area or the town of the Kasol, they are dumping their wastage, their garbage here. And when the video went viral, they took the garbage from here to other side in jungle, where they claim that a new dumping site is being in the pipeline. They'll lay out and so with the Healing Himalayas company, but before the contract or before the any dumping site is being established, they are throwing the garbage inside the jungles, which is a major concern for the vegetation of Himalaya, where the also the forest area of, because this is the wildlife sanctuary area, and it is a forest land also. So here, when this sort of activities are being observed, it's a major concern for the people's health and also for the greenery that has been here. And you see now also it's been the 5th day, still the garbage is being collected and it's been taken to different places. And also when we did a report yesterday, so they shut the JCB work, they took away their tippers along, so because they got exposed, and so the exposure story that we shown, how the garbage is being taken to the jungle. So they took the tippers and JCBs from here just to cover up the operation that garbage is being managed.
Absolutely. Aman, thank you so much for bringing this story on India Today. Sad state of affairs in this beautiful Himalayan state, where garbage and unsustainable tourism is leading to such a bad situation.